Let's come over and look at the European indices next. So starting with the UK FTSE, continues to be really lackluster. I'm looking for either this low here to hold, which I suspect probably not, or this region, and then to get a strong move to the upside in the UK FTSE. But it has been, relative to the US, very, very unimpressive off the low so far. So we still need it to prove itself. German DAX ditto. I'm still tracking this diagonal as a 1, 2, 3 ABC for the 4. Didn't quite get to the 618 retrace, but we've started to push up a little bit this morning. And again, I just need to see a fifth up. The alternative is this is an A, this is a B, and we get a C up. But until we start to get a bit more movement and price action to the upside, I'm unable to discern which is the more likely. But either way, once we get up to this region, we should get a deep pullback for a 2 or B, and then up again in the German DAX.